It was Monday morning. Lina walked around the school and saw Amir looking so tired while holding his head.
Are you okay?
I have a headache. It really hurts.
On Tuesday, after recess, Mei Ling did not look happy. She was holding her stomach and looks uncomfortable.
My stomach hurts. I think I ate too much at the canteen.
You may have stomach ache, Mei-Ling. Let's go to the teacher office.
It was reading time on Wednesday. Lina was reading with Ravi, but Ravi could not speak clearly. His voice was rough and soft.
What is wrong with your voice, Ravi?
It has been like this for days. I think I have a sore throat.
On Thursday, many students were coughing in class. Lina covered her mouth quickly.
Let's open the windows. Fresh air will help.
On Friday, Lina felt hot and tired.
Teacher, I think my body's temperature is rising and I feel so tired.
Based on the thermometer, you might have a fever, Lina. I think you need to go home and rest.
By Sunday, everyone felt much better. Lina, Amir, Mei Ling, and Ravi played at the park. They promised to eat well, drink water, and get enough rest.